good. So one more sound check.
Okay.
One more sound check, checking to make sure we got good sounds.
Check.
We use a little demon or evil, whatever the sound is, see if we like that one better. Or this one better. You are my father.
That's not right. You ain't my daddy. That's the chipmunk sound right there. Cause you ain't my daddy.
And get a note, Jamal.
Yeah.
All right, so that's that. Get some sounds in here, see if we're leveled up with the sounds.
Yeah, okay,
properly.
yeah, let's see what's going on with the sound when we talk with the sound.
Settle down, Beaver.
Everybody calm down. Let's see what's going on.
Only camera full.
Probably talk about this loud when we're talking because this is how loud we'll talk when we speak.
Camera full.
Yes.
Switching there.
Yeah.
We're down there now, and now we're there with the small capture up there.
Make sure it's not too hot.
Make sure
Settle
it's not
down,
too
Beaver.
hot. And then we'll switch our voices back on.
Yeah, cause now I wanna be a chipmunk. Yeah, I'm talking. Yeah, when I be saying. Motherfucker. Yeah, cam full. Chipmunk, make sure to look at the camera over here.
Cause it's bad when you don't look in the right direction, dog.
Bad like Michael Jackson.
Bad like Michael Jackson, baby.
Yeah.